Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is available for your Xbox account. Search the Xbox store and purchase or redeem via Game Pass. Once done, free up roughly 10-20 GB of space and make sure your console firmware is updated so the install won't fail. Next, sign into your Xbox Live profile and enable cloud saves. This protects progress. Finally, begin download and let the system apply updates automatically so you're ready to launch without delays. Once installed, launch the game and immediately open controls and display settings so you don't fight the interface later. You should calibrate controller dead zones and sensitivity for aiming and movement, and remap any awkward buttons. Then make graphics changes, lower resolution or texture quality to boost stability if needed, and set a frame cap to reduce stutters. Also set save frequency and difficulty now, and enable or skip tutorials depending on your familiarity. This creates a predictable play loop. You're ready to create a character, pick a spawn region and immediate goals, then start with a brief session to confirm controls and performance. If you encounter crashes or freezes, first clear the Xbox persistent storage and power cycle the console, then verify you have adequate free storage and the game is fully updated. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the game, and finally contact Xbox support with error codes. This troubleshooting sequence usually restores a stable play experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.